Ready to take your workflows to the next level? Let's design your own custom nodes with the Node Builder. Start by opening the Node Builder. This is your creative lab for building reusable components tailored to your needs. First, add your node's inputs and outputs. Use the interactive tables to define names, data types, and widget styles, like text boxes, sliders, or dropdowns. Now, write your node's logic in Python. Use the built-in editor to define how your node processes data. Use on_plug_sync to react to new connections. Need a boost? Vibrante-Node's Node Builder is powered by AI. Generate starter code, prompt templates, or example snippets in seconds, so you can focus on your ideas. When you're done, click Save and Register. Your custom node is now ready to use, just like any built-in node. With the Node Builder, you can design, code, and reuse your own building blocks, making every workflow uniquely yours.